Cells are the basic unit of life. They are the smallest things we call alive. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, all working together. They are like tiny factories that make up a giant city. Think of your body as a huge city. Cells are the bricks, pipes, and wires that make the city work. Each cell has a specific job to do to keep the city running. Just like a city needs different parts to function, our bodies need different types of cells. For example, muscle cells help us move, nerve cells carry messages, and blood cells carry oxygen. Without cells, we wouldn't be able to do anything. Inside each cell are even smaller parts called organelles. Organelles are like different rooms in the cell factory, each with a specific job. One important organelle is the nucleus. It is like the control center of the cell, telling all the other parts what to do. The nucleus contains our DNA, the instructions for building and running our bodies. Another important organelle is the mitochondria. Mitochondria are like the powerhouses of the cell, providing energy for everything the cell does. They are responsible for cellular respiration, which is how cells convert food into usable energy. Ribosomes are like tiny protein factories, building all the different proteins the cell needs. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is like a network of roads and tunnels transporting materials around the cell. The Golgi apparatus is like the post office, packaging and sending out proteins to their correct locations. Lysosomes are like the recycling center, breaking down waste and old cell parts. Each organelle has a vital role in keeping the cell alive. The nucleus controls all cell activities by storing and protecting the DNA. Without a nucleus, the cell wouldn't know what to do. Mitochondria are essential for providing energy. Just like a car needs fuel, cells need energy from mitochondria to function. Ribosomes are crucial for protein synthesis, building the proteins that carry out various functions in the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum is essential for transporting proteins and other molecules throughout the cell. It acts as a highway system, ensuring that everything gets where it needs to go. The Golgi apparatus processes and packages proteins, making sure they are delivered to the right locations within or outside the cell. Lysosomes act as the cell's garbage disposal system, breaking down waste materials and old organelles. All these organelles work together to keep the cell alive and functioning. The nucleus provides instructions, the mitochondria produce energy, the ribosomes make proteins, and so on. Imagine a cell as an orchestra. Each organelle is like a different instrument, and the nucleus is the conductor. When all the parts work together in harmony, the cell thrives. For example, the process of making a protein requires the coordinated effort of several organelles. The nucleus provides the instructions, the ribosomes build the protein, and the ER and Golgi apparatus transport and package it. In conclusion, cells are complex and fascinating worlds within themselves. These tiny powerhouses are responsible for all life as we know it. Understanding how cells work is crucial to understanding life itself.